The Yakima RoadShower mounts in just minutes to help keep you and your gear clean, wherever you may drive. The metal car top tube provides powerful pressure, is repressurized with an air pump, and can be filled without a hose if needed. Though the included nozzle is a bit narrow for a perfect shower, it can easily be swapped out for a shower head, which is sold separately. Fully pressurized to 65 psi, the RoadShower can spray to an impressive 30 feet. This is a great asset for cleaning your gear but doesn't feel quite as nice on your skin or scalp. However, the more water you use, the less pressure is left in the tank, until by the end it sprays a single stream of water just 4 feet. The Yakima RoadShower is an intensely durable car top shower and pressurized rinse station all in one. Once mounted, it's so easy to use and provides impressive pressure that can be topped up easily with an air pump. Though its original nozzle isn't a comfortable shower, a simple upgrade fixes that issue. The unit makes light work of keeping you and your gear from tracking all the mud and gunk home. The Smart series is the next generation of POWERSTEP by AMP Research. AMP pulled out all the stops with this new set of electric running boards. They have a newly designed board that provides perfect traction in any climate that not only open and close when you open the doors but feature an smartphone app with a built-in override switch, as well as lighting control for the boards. Also included is a low-profile auxiliary port to run additional LED lighting. The POWERSTEP Smart series running boards offer a significantly lower drop than traditional running board design. Where most steps come down about 2 to 3 inches below the pinch weld, the POWERSTEPs drop about 6 to 7 inches when deployed. A pair of LED lights is included for each of the POWERSTEP running boards. These lights come on when the step deploys and turn off when the step retracts. Like all POWERSTEPs, these boards rest close to the cab when not in use, which allows you to maintain ground clearance while driving. Included with the boards is a full mounting kit, installation instructions, and a 5-year or 60,000-mile warranty. Car sunshades are one of the most useful car accessories that all car owners should consider. Hot summer sun can not only burn your skin or hurt your eyes, but also heat up the inside of your car. But that's not all. The strong sun rays can fade or wear down your car interiors and upholstery too. This is why car shades are an important accessory. Easy to install, durable and stylish, these shades are the perfect way to protect your car's dashboard, seat, and overall interiors. The aura inside a vehicle plays an important role when you drive. When you use car shades, it ensures that the temperature inside the vehicle remains cool, but most importantly, that it helps you stay calm. The car shades do not hinder your visibility, and the fabric used to manufacture the shades rank high on heat resistance and durability. Another benefit is that the mesh material blocks harmful UV rays from entering your vehicle. You can use the shades even on the rear window of your car to protect yourself and your family from the harmful sun. The revolutionary anti-skid tire block is an innovative and inexpensive device that can quickly and easily be strapped to the drive wheels of an immobilized vehicle. It then enables that vehicle, whether it's stuck in sand, mud, or snow, to get unstuck quickly using its own power. The anti-skid tire block is a simple and effective solution to being stranded and disabled in all types of terrain and adverse conditions. It is most effective when used as directed, at the first signs of tire slippage, or when you are stuck. The innovative design enhances the ability of a slipping tire to extract itself from a poor traction situation. This anti-skid chain is designed for automotive safety. The use of special anti-skid rough surface so that it increases the friction with the road. It protects the car tire from slippage and ensures safe and stable driving in the snow and muddy road conditions. With adjustable straps, the car chains can be used on almost all tires. No need to take down the tires. Simply attaching the snow chain to the tire through the hub and install in 5 seconds. Then rescue your car from the tough situation easily with no more expensive tow truck fees. Clark Tracks specializes in developing and manufacturing forest machine tracks. The tracks suit almost all cut-to-length machines and skidders. Clark Tracks are available in various sizes and designs to suit virtually all terrain, all climates, and all machine types. The tracks are made from special boron alloy steel, and the toughness of the steel is maximized using a specialized heat treatment process. The track pads are heated to over 1000 Celsius degrees and formed to the required shape by a 320 tons hydraulic press. Once the pads have cooled, they are put through the shot blaster. The track pads are then taken to pre-assembly welding, where the track end links are welded on. Forest terrain requires assistance on the harvesters and forwarders for either traction on the steep ground or for flotation on wet peaty areas. Clark Tracks manufacture band tracks for almost every harvester forwarder that is produced with a track design suitable for every kind of terrain found in the forest. The tracks are capable of carrying large loads of timber and extract the wood over very long distances, but also still remain cost-effective. The Maxsa Innovations Park Right Car Door and Bumper Guard helps protect your vehicle and garage during parking and when opening vehicle doors. This product installs vertically for bumper protection or horizontally for door protection. A package comes with 2 guards and double-sided tape. The product is designed to protect you, ensure your safety, keep you comfortable, and enhance your overall enjoyment of life. The Park Right product is dependable, easy to install, and easy to use. It helps protect your car and your garage during parking and when opening car doors. The reflective strips improve visibility in low light. They can be used to prevent damage to your door while exiting your vehicle if used as door guards. From its beginning, Maxsa has grown rapidly and been constantly developing new products. It is dedicated to creating unique and truly innovative products. They include automotive, safety, and convenience, which are engineered to protect you, ensure your safety, keep you comfortable, and enhance your overall enjoyment of life. The Maxsa Innovations Park Right Car Door and Bumper Guard is designed to be dependable, easy to install, and easy to use. Maxsa products are precision manufactured for quality and are renowned throughout the US and Canada. The Joe Snow Broom Model SJBLZD makes quick work out of the snow piled on the roof, hood, trunk, or windshield of your car. Its patented dual-purpose design features a broom head on one end and a built-in ice scraper on the other, so you can quickly push heavy, wet snow off your car, then clear away the ice buildup on your windshield with just one tool. Made with a durable, reinforced, non-abrasive foam head, the snow broom safely and effectively sweeps snow off your car without scratching the glass surfaces. Plus, its telescoping pole extends from 33 to 52 inches to provide maximum reach with minimal strain. Weighing only 1.4 pounds, the snow broom is super easy to handle and stores neatly inside the trunk of your car with its built-in bracket holder. The durable non-abrasive foam head pushes heavy wet snow off cars without damaging the glass. With the built-in ice scraper, you can quickly clear ice buildup on windshields. Now you can clear out fast the tough winter mess with the Joe Snow Broom. Introducing the innovative Traxion Tailgate Ladder. This 3-step ladder is easy to install on pretty much any truck. It provides nearly universal fit, deploys in a couple seconds, and greatly reduces the strain of getting into the back of a truck. When not in use, the tailgate ladder folds and secures neatly against the tailgate, out of the way of valuable cargo space. The tailgate ladder swings easily into position for quick, safe, and easy access to your truck bed. This reduces leg and back strain. The installation and removal of the ladder is an easy process. The ladder rests securely on ground for maximum support and automatically adjusts to uneven terrain. The Traxion ladder fits tailgate heights from 28 inches to 42 inches. The base plate easily bolts to either side of tailgate. You can easily remove the ladder by pulling 2 snap pins. The EcoJump is a safe, convenient, and waterproof lithium-powered car jump starter that can charge any 6-liter gas and diesel engine, including cars, trucks, boats, and motorcycles, featuring 500 amps at 12V cranking power, giving users 25 jump starts per charge in a small, portable package. The world's first emergency jump starter with integrated Bluetooth Low Energy. The EcoJump directly sends its charge status and temperature to any smartphone through the EcoXGear app, available for iOS and Android, notifying users when the unit needs recharging or the temperature is too high for a proper functioning. Additional EcoJump features include a flashlight, strobing hazards, override options, and mobile charging. The EcoJump is 100% waterproof and shockproof. The product is designed to jumpstart your car, truck, boat, or ATV dozens of times on a single charge. The jump starter is mistake-proof with reverse polarity and spark protection. 15,000 mAh battery can be charged over 500 times for years of use, and a 90-day warranty is included. There is a built-in 200-lumen LED light with 3 modes: low, high, flash. The light lasts up to 200 hours on low and 50 hours on high. The EcoJump has a free downloadable app to monitor battery charge status via Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. The Tera Pump TREP 1TXL is a battery-powered fuel transfer pump for use in the garage, field, track, or shop with an extra long 10 feet. Discharge hose. Comes with a telescopic intake tube which can adjust from 15 inches to 20 inches with a powerful DC motor. The TREP 1TXL can discharge liquids up to 2.4 gallons per minute. Our total flow control nozzle provides a clean and easy transfer, saving time and energy. Tera automatically pumps with a single hand or no hands at all for a hands-free experience. A 10-feet discharge hose fuels from greater distances. The pump is engineered to prevent any fuel loss. A built-in gas pump-style nozzle enables control of liquid transfer by adjusting the squeeze lever. The Pumo has a capacity to fuel up to 600 quarts or 150 gallons with only 2D batteries. You can fuel anywhere from your home, garage, farm, or the road, backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. The Tera Pump is a great accessory for your car. All-wheel chocks might not be the most glamorous or high-tech product you'll ever buy. They do have a very important purpose: to stop your vehicle moving from its location. The Chock wheel stabilizer does this with perfect precision. The chocks are made from strong and very durable material. They are ideal for use with lightweight vehicles as well as heavy-duty vehicles such as trailers, caravans, and motorhomes. Now comes the best part. They can be used on cars, vans, and they can also be used to chock boat trailers too. The base has very pronounced surface which provides a non-slip grip underneath whenever these RV chocks are in use. The wheel chock stabilizer provides added stabilization and prevents tire shift by applying an opposing force to the two tires. Increase the safety of the car outdoors, whether in a windy environment or a slight slope. The X-shaped tire chocks made of cast iron and reinforce all connections. The surface is painted with protective paint to prevent rust and can adapt to a variety of environments and is more durable. The wheel stabilizer fits even the tightest of spaces, reducing down to 3.5 inches and extending up to 12 inches. An easy and quick installation makes the Chock's wheel stabilizer an ideal accessory for your car. With all these amazing types of equipment, this video comes to the end. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to check out the channel. We'll be right back with a brand new video featuring some cool and awesome stuff just like that.